Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of.
I'm an advocate of simplifying things and life in general, and I'll tell you why. Hello, everyone. How's everything going? I hope you had a wonderful week. So, this week, let me rumble about simple things that make up a simple life towards gratitude. It is human nature to have wants and needs, regardless of being simple or not. However, remember that what your minds conceive, your body will achieve. And so, this will all boil down to our mindset. We need to train our mindset to be simple yet true. And only then everything will follow. Changing our mindset doesn't happen overnight, though. It's something that should be done and practiced every day. I remember when I was in my teenage years, I only had four pairs of footwears. I have these school shoes, which are the usual black shoes with tons of shoe polish, mind you. That's the trend back then. Then I have sneakers that are used during PE class. I also have these step-ins that I usually use for errands. And the usual slippers for every day. My mom used to say that I don't get a new pair unless they are worn out. And so sometimes I wish they will get worn out easily, especially if I see something pretty. But lucky me, they usually last up to 2 or 3 years. Well, it's like that until my college days, even until I started working. Because of that training that my mom did, my mindset has been trained that I will only buy new stuff when it's needed, regardless if I see something new and prettier. This actually became more essential to me when I started earning my own money. Not only on material things, but also in my perspectives. I dream big. Yes, it's true, but I make sure that my goals and systems are realistic and achievable, so it will be easier for me as well. When you open your eyes and mind to simple things, we see and appreciate small things more than anything. It makes us grateful for every little things that's happening in our lives. We don't look for so much more as we are grateful for what's in front of us. Being grateful doesn't mean we're limiting ourselves to big and wonderful possibilities and opportunities. I hope I made sense and I was able to deliver my thoughts to you this week. Thank you all so much for joining me today. And as always, I would really love to see your comments about this topic. Don't forget to reach me on Instagram as well. Have a lovely weekend, everyone, and I will see you again soon.